Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I'll be covering the best VPNs that you can download and use right now for all your browsing needs. In today's digital age, the need for online privacy and security has become more crucial than ever. This is why a virtual private network or VPNs come in handy. Not only do VPNs provide you with an online anonymity, but they also help in accessing content that may not be available in your country. If you're interested in any of these VPNs mentioned in this video, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below to help you save some extra money. So without further ado, let's get started. A VPN is a tool that enables you to browse the internet anonymously and securely by routing your internet connection through a private server. This means that your online activities are kept private and secure and away from prying eyes and potential threats. There is a wide variety of VPNs in today's market, so I've compiled a list of recommended VPNs that are regarded as the best options available to help you make an informed decision and get the right one. First on the list, we have ExpressVPN, which is my top pick for its speed as well as ease of use that it provides. It has the most verified no-logs policy, which was proven through a real-life stress test. This means that they don't collect or track any user data. With over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, it allows you to access content from all over the world. This VPN is compatible with most devices and allows up to 5 simultaneous connections per account. It's a premium VPN that offers the highest level of reliability, making it our go-to choice for anyone looking for a top quality VPN service and doesn't mind spending a bit extra money on it. Now moving on, we have NordVPN, which we consider to be one of the best value VPN services in the market today. With over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, NordVPN offers more options to fiddle with and can help you with speed and latency, making it a great choice for gamers. It also offers extra features such as threat protection, which basically acts as a built-in antivirus, unblocking unwanted ads, malicious websites, and protects your device from harmful files. It's worth mentioning that NordVPN allows up to 6 devices to be simultaneously connected per subscription, making it a great option if you're looking for more flexibility. While NordVPN is usually faster, ExpressVPN tends to be more consistent when connecting to servers that are further away from your current location. So your choice will depend on the distance of the servers that you're looking to connect to. For example, if you're looking for a fast connection with nearby local servers and you don't mind having 34 less countries, then NordVPN could work for you. But if you plan on connecting to international servers and have more location options, then you might want to go with ExpressVPN. And finally, we have Surfshark, which is my pick for the cheapest budget VPN. While it's not as fast as Express or Nord, Surfshark offers all the essentials at a more affordable price. It also offers an ad blocker for blocking pop-ups, as well as 2 types of specialty servers, such as static IP servers and multi-hop servers. In addition to that, you can secure an unlimited number of devices with just one account, making it ideal for families or anyone who needs to secure a large amount of devices. It's a great option if you're looking to spend less but still want all the core features of a premium VPN. In summary, these 3 VPN services are the best in the business. ExpressVPN is perfect for anyone who prioritizes security and utmost anonymity, while NordVPN offers a well-rounded high-performance VPN that provides a lot of value for your money. And if you're looking for a budget-friendly VPN that gets the job done without sacrificing any necessary security features, Surfshark is the ideal choice. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in any of these VPNs mentioned in this video, you find links to pricing and discounts, as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. Like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.